It's day 3 of our 30-day decluttering challenge. I'm proud of you for showing up today. We are going to spend just 5 minutes together making our home better. And today it's the fridge. Da da da. Don't worry. Quick and easy. And I'm going to give you a ton of ideas of things that you can let go of to make it easier to organize your fridge. We're starting with 5 minutes. Are you ready? On your mark, get set. Let's declutter. So here's the thing, my fridge, I need to go grocery shopping, friends. Fridges are these like hotspots that always become a disaster, and they're worse if you don't declutter them on a regular basis. So we're gonna go with the things that I know expire the most, which are salad dressings. You have expired salad dressings, condiments, and dairy products. So if you have cheese that's moldy, if you have yogurt, I almost threw this out, but I knew I was making this video today, so I literally was like, I'm gonna leave it in here. This entire unopened yogurt expired over a month ago. Sad, but no one's gonna eat it, so we're just letting it go. Take a minute. If you're like me and you need glasses, hold it very far away. But I always feel like, is it 2000? Yeah, we're good. We're good. I always feel like these expire and I don't notice till I taste them and they're nasty. They're nasty and you can get really sick. Yeah, this expired in February. Grossness! Let them go. Also, a good thing to look at are your sauces. This expired in April. It's just a fridge filled with contaminants. This is food poisoning waiting to happen. That's embarrassing. Yeah, take a minute, you guys. This expired in May. Oh, for Pete's sakes. It can feel wasteful to do this, but here's the truth. Some people say expiry dates are only suggestive and you don't really have to follow them. I think if it's a couple weeks or even a month past the expiry date, as long as it doesn't smell like butt, you could probably keep it. But as someone who's had food poisoning multiple times, I get it, fridge. It's just not worth it. It's not worth it for the $5 thing if it makes you and your family sick. Give me a friggin' second here. I'm gonna go through all these hot sauces too that I bought at Christmas time and they're just taking up room. Nobody's gonna use them. This was a waste. If you have something your family just doesn't like and never eats, why is it in there? Olives? Olives are disgusting. Maybe you like them, but if you don't, just let them go. I'm gonna keep these. If you have a lot of like ketchup packets or things like this that you keep, unfortunately, they don't always have the expiration date on them. So they could be years old and you never know. We probably should just let all of those little things go. Plus, it's just clutter in your fridge. So we're looking at, oh Lord, jams also go bad. Yep, this expired in February of 2024. And like, it's got some mold. That's the thing about jam. Jams, you gotta check. They get moldy when they're way past their expiration date. And mayonnaise will kill you, friends. So take a look at your mayonnaise. This oh, no, we're good. It expires in February, but 2025. I gotta hold it. This one's still good. Take a second, really look, get stuff out. Oh, and salsa. Expired salsa can take you to the ER, friends. Let's make sure that's leaving too. The 5-minute timer still hasn't gone off. As soon as it does, we're done. This isn't about taking everything out. This is still good. This isn't about cleaning your fridge, organizing your fridge. This is just finding things to go. Do not make a giant mess. That's not what we're doing here. We are quickly and easily making life easier. What the diggity deuce? This one's still good. Is this capers and why do we have it? Capers is leaving. You only have to find 5 things to go. I found over 10 things to go. I feel good. Probably the leftovers. This chicken salad's at least a week and a half old. I'll let that go too. And that's it. Well, what about the fruits and vegetables? That's tomorrow Cass's problem. Here's the thing. It isn't about spending a lot of time or effort or energy or mental space. It's quick down and dirty, decluttering. And tomorrow we're going to be back here to do a little bit more. You feeling pumped? You feeling good about the stuff that's leaving? Make sure you take a picture and tag me so that I can see what you got rid of out of your fridge today. If you don't have anything in your fridge, check the freezer. If you don't have anything in your fridge and freezer, you get a day off, my friends. All right, thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. How is that timer still going? 5 minutes. I said I wasn't going to do the fruits and vegetables, but then like I couldn't not check the fruits and vegetables. There's a science experiment going on in these blackberries. They are so moldy. Why has no one thrown these out? Now I gotta check all the fruits and vegetables. All right, one more thing to go. Hey guys, thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. Recently, I got together with Dawn from The Minimal Mom and Dana from A Slob Comes Clean, and we were like having a slumber party in our pajamas, and we were talking about our most embarrassing moments. Neither of them could think of anything embarrassing that had ever happened to them. And I was like, not even pooping your pants in public? Like that's pretty much a standard. And they were like, no. Just me then. Just me. Here's the thing. I remember very vividly in my 20s, I was hanging out with family and they were like talking about the club. The club is where you earn your membership by pooping your pants in public. And I was like, who would do that? This is embarrassing. Now, mind you, most of the people there were older, but I was like steadfast in that this would never happen to me because, like, what's wrong with you? And then I had my gallbladder removed. Turns out they say gallbladder isn't really important. They lie. Gallbladders are very important. If you eat anything greasy or fatty, you join the club. Ask me how I know. I'm not going to get into details because that's gross, but just saying. Who's in the club? You want to admit it in the comments below? Are you a member? Let me know. I'll see you guys next time.